What's up everybody? In today's video I am redoing this door. This is the driver door. I had previously done this a few months ago, or maybe even more now, but customer got a ding somewhere around here. Paint protection film worked. It didn't scratch the paint, but it did leave a dent, so the PDR guy needed it off so he could do it. I removed it. I'm putting it back on, finishing up this door cutout, tuck it in, make it look real nice. Once I finish this, I'll do a little walk around on how everything looks. Anyways, stick around and let's just jump into it. But no paint damage, thanks to Aztec paint protection film. Alright, I need a specialty tool here. Okay, I bought a bunch of these. It came like a set. There's like 7 or 8. Bought them on Amazon. It's not that much money really. But this is my go-to tuck tool. Just a little chisel. And it's magnetic. So it's kind of cool. The other one I use for the door seams, hard reach places, is this one. It has that kind of shape. This little hook shape right here. Another variation of that is a black one. It's a little bit bigger. Let's see. There you go, you can see it right there. But I use these for this little area. My hand is cramping. I'm going to show you the whole car and what I did. Oh, here's the Tesla. The door handle is still drying a little bit, but let me show you everything else. This isn't really a macro lens, but it's on the door, it's up here, it's on this area. Now it tucks on this corner. Let's see. Can't really tell. Pullback bumper. This piece is all done in one piece. There's no seam, so it's like a really big piece. It's kind of hard to do, actually. This client really takes care of his car. He's got like a bunch of wash stuff, a bunch of products. He's really into maintaining the look of his car, which is awesome. Which means this car and PPF will last a long time. So right here, you can see there's a little bit of dirt in there underneath the PPF where I tucked it. like right here, there. These roof rails are done. I don't know if you can see in there. You can see right there the hood line. Just the corner is exposed. Whole fenders and everything. Front bumper. It's on here. Believe it or not, it's right there. There's no seam or anything like the kids. So yeah, this is really clean. Model Y, the whole thing is protected. If you're interested in that, go ahead and give me an email. Send me an email, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can. That's a wrap. That was kind of cheesy, huh? Anyways, I'm all done here. I'm gonna go home, go sit in that 91 fast track traffic, because we all know it's gonna be traffic up until Weir Canyon. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not already, and yeah, if you want to see something or you have questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll try to get to you. All right, peace.